Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things kitchenware. Today, we're diving into the world of saucepans, and I've got an absolute gem to share with you.
It's none other than the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set with lid. Trust me, if you're on the hunt for the best saucepan available in the market, you've landed in the right place.
Let's talk about versatility, shall we? This set comes with not one,
but two saucepans, a 1 quart and a 2 quart, perfect for all your cooking needs. Whether you're whipping up a savory sauce or boiling pasta for a crowd, these saucepans have got you covered.
Now, what sets these saucepans apart from the rest? Well, for starters, they're constructed with top-quality aluminum alloy,
ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking every time.
Plus, with a 2-layer non-stick coating inside and a heat-resistant paint on the outside, you can say goodbye to stubborn food residue and hello to effortless cleaning.
But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Graceful Lady raves about the heavy-duty construction and beautiful deep red color.
Meanwhile, Min loves how easy these saucepans are to clean, making kitchen cleanup a breeze. What I love most about these saucepans is their modern design and attention to detail. From the sturdy Bakelite handles for easy handling to the 4mm glass lids with Bakelite knobs for food protection, every aspect has been carefully crafted with the home chef in mind. Now, let's compare apples to apples, shall we? While other saucepan sets may boast similar features, the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set stands out for its unbeatable value for money. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating and over 11,000 global ratings, it's clear that this set has won over the hearts of home cooks everywhere. And there you have it, folks. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Saucepan set with lid, the ultimate kitchen essential for every home chef. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and experience the joy of effortless cooking, be sure to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy cooking!